Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata. And if you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace the air filter guys. David will explain how to do that, everything from start to finish guys. And what you should do to safely remove and replace your air filter on Hyundai Sonata. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So specifically guys, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. This is the engine guys, and now let's explain. Next to your car battery right here, you can see that hose. That's where your air filter will be located, in that box guys. This is known as the air filter box. Now, in order to remove it, how you guys do that? You can see here you have two clips. Those clips, okay, you're supposed to grab like that and release them. Sometimes they can fall off, be careful guys. Most of the times they don't, but not to lose them. Just gently release them like that. Now, let's see if that box will be able to come off. On the front side it's loose, but now we have two more. Check it out, we have two more that we need to release on the back side. One here, one over there. Two of them, two on the back, two on the front. Now we grab that lead guys, okay, and let's see if it's going to come off. Okay, perfect, it does, like that. Now probably the best thing to do, and you can see how bad it is inside, okay, in my opinion will be, okay, maybe let's see if it's going to come off. We need to remove that hose guys, okay, to safely be able to remove that air filter and clean everything inside, because you want to vacuum clean all the dust, leaves and anything that's inside that box, because otherwise it may end up in the engine and you can severely damage your engine. So that hose clamp, get it loose later, don't forget to get it tight. Perfect. All right, now we're going to grab that hose, okay, and just wiggle it out until it comes out, okay, like that. Perfect. Now we can pull that cover lid up. Okay, let's see if we can just pull the whole thing to the side a little bit up and we come out, because here, okay, we need to clean everything inside. So okay, if you come to the side you can pull it out. And that guys, what I'll recommend now, get your vacuum, okay, and vacuum all the sand, dust and leaves inside, because you don't want that to be stuck there. This is guys the air filter. You can see this is in terrible condition. We haven't seen one so bad in a long time, but definitely guys, okay, will need to be replaced. So that's how you guys remove it, okay, put it in together. It's practically in reverse order, we took it apart. If you guys want to see where to get one air filter for a really good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.